Welcome and thank you for joining us. We are looking at a question on equation of a circle, a question that was done in KCSE 2007, paper 2, question number 16. And the question we have reads, find the radius and the coordinates of the center of the circle, whose equation is 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 3x plus 2y plus half is equal to 0. Remember, the equation of a circle generally is given in the form of x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to radius squared. So we are going to reduce the given equation of a circle into the general form, that is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared, and we usually use completing square method. When using completing square method, we make sure that the coefficients of x squared and y squared are 1. And we are going to do that by dividing all through by 2 so that the coefficient of x squared and y squared are 1. 2x squared divided by 2, you get x squared, plus 2y squared divided by 2, you get y squared. Then minus 3x divided by 2, you get minus 3 over 2x. 2y divided by 2, you get plus 1y, or simply y, and plus half divided by 2, you get a quarter, being equal to 0 divided by 2, you get 0. From here now we regroup these equations so that we can form two quadratic parts. We are going to have x squared plus the linear term for the x squared, which is minus, this is going to be minus 3 over 2x. We add a constant here, plus we are going to have again y squared plus y plus a certain term here so that we can complete the square, and this one is going to be equal to, we move now c to this other side. Remember, we have positive a quarter. If it crosses over, it becomes negative a quarter. Then of course we add a constant that we have added to the part having x, plus another constant that we added to the part having y. Once we have done that, remember we add half b squared on both sides. So half b squared on this part having x is going to be negative 3 over 2. Then we square, and the part we are going to add here is going to be half times our b is 1 here. Then we square. This one is going to give us negative 1, that is 1 times negative 3, which is negative 3 over 4, then squared, and this one is going to be half squared. This is what we are going to add to complete the square. So we bring down this general part of the equation such that we have x squared minus 3 over 2x plus half b squared is negative 3 over 4 squared, plus we have y squared plus y plus the term that we were adding, that is half b squared. This one is going to be half squared, and this one is going to be negative a quarter, plus our b in this case, we were having negative 3 over 4 squared, which is going to be 9 over 16, plus this other part that we were adding will be half squared, which is a quarter. And by so doing, now we move down and complete our equation as follows. We are going to group again our two squares by ignoring the linear term. So we are going to have x minus 3 over 4. We put them under one square, plus we have y plus half. We also put them under 1 square, and this one is going to be negative a quarter, and positive a quarter cancels, such that we have 9/16. From here now we are able to get the center. Remember the center, x minus 3/4. 3/4 in this case is our a, and if this is a negative, then we are going to have a positive value of 3/4, which is 0.75. Then our b is half. Remember we have minus b, and if this is a positive, we are going to have negative 0.5. We are going to have negative 0.5 as the coordinates of the center. Then we know radius squared is going to be equal to 9/16, meaning radius is going to be the square root of 9/16, giving us the square root of 9 is 3, over the square root of 16 is 4, and this one gives us 0.75 units. That is how we get the coordinates of the center and also the radius. Alternatively, we are going to use this approach to simply get the center and the radius. I'm going to use this part that we have made, x squared and y squared 1. So if we have x squared plus y squared minus 3/2x, 3/2 is the same as 1.5x, plus that is minus 3/2x, which is 1.5, sorry, plus we have y plus a quarter. So for us to get the center, we simply use x and y. So the center generally is given by, you take the coefficient of x, which is 1.5 negative, you divide by 2, you get 0.75 negative, you change the sign, you get positive 0.75. Then the coefficient of y, which is 1, you divide by 2, you get positive 0.5, you change the sign, you get 0.5 negative. This is positive 0.75. Negative 0.5 as the coordinates of the center. Then for us to get the radius, remember this is positive 1/4, so we moved it to the other side. Radius is going to be generally the square root of x squared plus y squared minus the value of c in this case. And our x is 0.75, so we are going to have radius being equal to 0.75 squared. 0.75 squared is the same as 0.5625 plus y squared. Y is negative 0.5. Negative 0.5 squared is 0.25 minus c, and the c is a quarter, which is 0.25. From here now we are good to go. Negative 0.25 minus 0.25 cancels, therefore our radius is going to be equal to the square root of 0.5625, and this one gives us exactly 0.75 5 units. That is 0.75 units as the radius of the circle. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification.